In today's video, we're looking at two very different homes in southern Italy. The first one is in Maierà, Calabria. It is a small, historic apartment that has already been restored, with a sea view balcony, a traditional fireplace, and a location only about 2 kilometers from the coast. The asking price is 18,000 euros. It is not the absolute cheapest kind of property, but it stands out because it is already usable and feels like a compact little holiday base near the Riviera dei Cedri. The second home is even more unusual. It is in Cianciana, Sicily, and the story behind it is completely different. This one falls under the $1 house model, where ownership is transferred for a symbolic price of just $1. Of course, like many ultra-low-cost property deals in Italy, the buyer still needs to budget for legal fees, notary costs, cadastral work, and agency fees. But the key point is still what makes this opportunity so special: a house in Sicily that can begin from an almost symbolic price, as long as you clearly understand that it is a restoration project, not a place you can move into right away. And maybe that second home is the one that will spark more discussion. Not because it is easier, but because it raises a very interesting question. If ownership begins at just $1, what do you notice first? A rare bargain, or the restoration journey you would truly need to be ready for? But before we go any further, let us pause for a few seconds and ask a small question from us, the people making these property videos. Have you ever felt that you no longer need something bigger, more impressive, or more glamorous, but simply a place quiet enough to make life feel a little easier to breathe in? Not the kind of place where you stay for a few days and then go back to the same old routine, the same rising bills, the same feeling that you always have to calculate carefully just to keep things stable. But somewhere smaller, lighter, where each month does not create so much pressure, and where you can look ahead to the coming years with a calmer state of mind. For many people watching today, especially those who have lived long enough to understand what is truly worth holding on to, what they are looking for is no longer a quick rush of excitement. It is stability, peace of mind, a way of living they can actually picture, manage, and maintain without having to push too hard just to keep it going. That is also why we make this channel. We are not looking for homes that only look beautiful in photos, and we are definitely not trying to sell you a perfect dream while leaving all the difficult parts outside the frame. What we try to do is look with you at properties with low entry prices, clear visuals, enough information to verify, and most importantly, places that can be approached with a real plan, not just a passing emotion. Some homes are ready to use right away. Some only need a few upgrades before they feel more comfortable by modern standards. And sometimes there are homes so cheap they feel almost symbolic, but they still need to be understood for what they really are: long-term restoration projects. No matter which category they fall into, the goal stays the same: to see the full picture before thinking about any kind of decision. If you find videos like this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. That support really helps us keep going and keep bringing you more interesting homes in the journeys ahead. And now, let's begin today's journey. Maierà is a small town in Calabria, set on the hills above the Riviera dei Cedri coastline. It is not the kind of place that feels loud or crowded with tourists. It feels more like a quiet pause, where life still moves with a very local rhythm. A morning here might begin with a short walk through the historic center, a coffee in a familiar cafe, and then the light from the sea slowly reaching the old rooftops and the narrow sloping streets. What gives Maierà its own kind of appeal is that it sits between two very different feelings. On one side, you have the quiet of a Calabrian hill village, where the pace is slower and the community feels smaller. On the other side, the sea is only about 3.5 kilometers away, close enough that it feels less like a tourist destination and more like part of everyday life. From here, you can also reach places along the Riviera dei Cedri, like Cirella, Isola di Cirella, and Diamante, areas shaped by the sea, the light, and the relaxed rhythm of southern Italy. And in that setting, the first home in today's video appears with an asking price of around 18,000 euros. This is a historic apartment or semi-detached property right in the historic center of Maierà, with a total size of around 32 square meters. The listing says it has been fully restored and is ready to use. If you break that down by size, the price comes to about 562.5 euros per square meter. That is not the lowest figure if you only look at the number per square meter, but compared with the local average in Maierà, around 694 euros per square meter, and the wider average in the province of Cosenza, around 947 euros per square meter, it still sits below the market. And more importantly, you are not just buying a small low-cost unit. You are buying a restored space with sea views, a fireplace, and much closer access to the coast than many homes in the same category. In terms of layout, the home is spread across 2 levels. The main floor has a fairly spacious living room with a kitchenette, along with a fireplace and a balcony facing the sea. That detail gives the home a warmer feeling, especially for a small seasonal second home. The lower floor has a room of about 16 square meters with its own independent entrance, which could work as a bedroom or as additional space. That layout makes the property feel more layered than a simple one-room home, even though the total area is only 32 square meters. When it comes to daily convenience, the property sits in the historic center of Maierà, where the main local services are within walking distance. Farmacia Solazzo is on Via Roma. Local restaurants such as Il Tri di Trasi and Ristorante di Aligia are also around the Maierà area. Grisolia Santa Maria train station is around 3.6 kilometers away, which is useful if you want regional access without depending completely on a car. The nearest medical facility, Casa di Cura Tricarico Rosano, is about 10.3 kilometers away, and Lamezia Term Airport is around 96 kilometers away. If you want to go down to Diamante, the distance is around 12 kilometers, and there is even a direct bus that takes about 30 minutes. From a financial point of view, this home makes more sense for someone looking for a small holiday base rather than a larger family home. An entry price of 18,000 euros is not especially heavy. The restored condition reduces some of the pressure of initial renovation, and having a sea view balcony is a very clear advantage in this category of small homes in Calabria. It suits someone who wants a simple place to return to seasonally, near the sea, near nature, but without taking on a property that feels too large or too demanding. Of course, there are still things that need a closer look. 32 square meters is quite compact, so it may not suit a larger household or anyone who needs more day-to-day space. The lower level room with its separate entrance should be checked carefully for moisture, ventilation, and legal use status. The energy rating of F is still below modern standards, so for long-term use you might eventually want better windows, insulation, or updated heating and cooling. But compared with a home that needs full renovation from scratch, these issues feel much more manageable once you place them next to the fact that the property is already restored, usable, has a fireplace, and comes with a sea view balcony. And maybe this is the question worth holding on to here. When you look at a small home in Maierà that is already usable, with sea views, only about 3.5 kilometers from the coast, and priced at 18,000 euros, what do you notice first? The limits of the small size, or a very light way to own a foothold near the Calabrian Sea?
Cianciana feels very different from Maierà. If the first home in Calabria gives you the image of a small restored retreat with a sea view balcony and a setup that could be used fairly quickly, Cianciana brings us back to a much more distinctly Sicilian story. Old houses in small towns, prices that feel almost symbolic, and properties that need to be approached with patience and a clear plan. This is a town in the province of Agrigento where life does not move at the speed of big cities. A morning here can begin very slowly, with narrow streets around the historic center, local people walking out for coffee, stopping by the pharmacy or the supermarket, or pausing for a quick conversation on the street. The atmosphere does not feel like a crowded tourist destination, but it does have something quite special. From Cianciana, you can still reach many of the best-known places in southern Sicily without going too far. According to the listing, beaches like Secca Grande, Eraclea Minoa, San Giorgio, and Bovo Marina are all around 30 minutes away by car. Scala dei Turchi and the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento are roughly 40 minutes away. Verdura Golf Resort is around 35 minutes, while the Sicani Mountains and nearby picnic areas are only about 20 minutes away. That means Cianciana is not just a quiet inland town, it is also quite an interesting base if you want a slower everyday life while still having the sea, the hills, and historical sites within easy weekend reach. And right in that setting, the second home in today's video appears with a very unusual kind of price. Ownership is offered under a symbolic $1 house scheme. Put simply, this is the kind of property where the transfer price itself is essentially symbolic, around $1. Of course, like most ultra-low-cost homes in Italy, the buyer still needs to account for other costs such as succession, cadastral work, agency fees, state taxes, and notary costs. The listing shows an initial total of around 6,272 euros, but the key point remains the same. Ownership begins from a price that is almost symbolic, and in today's property world, that is still a very striking opportunity. The house measures around 60 square meters and is located on Via Scanizzo in the town of Cianciana. If you calculate it based on the total initial amount shown on the listing, the figure comes to around 104.53 euros per square meter. That is still far below the average in Cianciana, around 540 euros per square meter, and much lower than the Agrigento provincial average of around 822 euros per square meter. So even when you include paperwork and renovation costs, the price gap remains wide enough to make many people stop and think. In terms of layout, the property has the kind of arrangement you often see in older townhouses. The level below street grade is currently used as storage, with a ceiling height of around 2.1 meters, and it is not connected internally to the upper floors. The raised ground floor is divided into 2 rooms, including a utility room and 1 main room. Above that, the attic level has ceiling heights that vary from around 1 meter to 3 meters, and only about half of that area is realistically usable. That is a very important point, because the space shown on paper and the space that actually feels comfortable to live in are not always the same thing. For daily life, Cianciana has the basic services you would need. Coop and R discount are along Corso Commendatore Cinquemani Arcuri. Farmacia Galliano is in town. The Cianciana bus stop on Littoria Emanuel Avenue is about a 4-minute walk from the center, with connections toward Palermo. Riviera, the nearest larger service town, is around 20 kilometers away, or about 25 minutes by car. Inside Cianciana itself, you also have places like Clock Tower Cafe, Lady Rose, Cortile Halicos, as well as the BABS Bank and an ATM on Corso Vittorio Emanuele. Of course, this is not a house you move into right away. The listing clearly says not habitable and to restore. The buyer would need to plan for new electrical and plumbing systems, damp treatment, roof checks, structural checks, and especially legal verification around succession, cadastral matters, and the legal use status of each part of the property. But for a $1 house, that is not unusual. The important thing is not to mistake it for a finished home. It should be seen as a very low-cost restoration project, where the main attraction is the almost symbolic cost of ownership and the chance to build value over time in your own way. And maybe this is the question worth sitting with here. When you look at a house in Sicily that can be acquired for a symbolic $1, in a town around 30 minutes from the sea and close to major attractions, what do you notice first? The restoration work waiting ahead, or the rare chance to begin an ownership journey from almost the smallest possible starting point?
We've just looked at two very different homes, but maybe what stays with you after today's video is not only the price. One is small, restored, set in a hill town in Calabria, with a balcony facing the sea and a layout that feels easy to imagine as a seasonal retreat. The other, in Sicily, goes in a completely different direction. It is not ready to live in yet. It needs to be brought back step by step, but ownership begins at a price that feels almost symbolic, just $1. And maybe the most important thing is not which one is cheaper, because when a home near the sea is priced at 18,000 euros or a house in Sicily is transferred under a $1 house scheme, those numbers alone are already enough to make people stop. The real question is this: are you looking for a place to live more lightly, or are you looking for a project to rebuild with your own hands from the ground up? Some people will probably be drawn more to the home in Maierà. It is small, manageable, already usable, with a fireplace, a sea view balcony, and only a few kilometers from the coast. For someone looking for a simple second home, not too large and not too heavy in ongoing costs, this could feel like just enough. Not a place to impress anyone, but a place to come back to, make a slow cup of coffee, look out toward the sea from the balcony, and let life feel a little less tense. But others may find themselves pausing longer at the house in Cianciana, not because it is easier, but because it opens up a very particular feeling, the idea of owning a home in Sicily for a symbolic price. Of course, like many ultra-low-cost property deals in Italy, the buyer still needs to think about legal fees, notary costs, cadastral work, agency costs, and the related paperwork. But those are normal parts of buying very low-cost property, and they do not take away from the heart of the story. This is still a rare ownership opportunity, as long as you understand that it is a restoration project, not a finished home. If you are used to markets where even a small apartment can bring years of financial pressure, then prices like the ones we saw today may sound almost unreal. But in smaller towns across Calabria and Sicily, property values are shaped by very practical things: location, population, local demand, the actual condition of the house, and how ready the buyer is to renovate it or use it in the right way. These homes are not perfect. One is smaller and still needs careful checks on the lower floor, damp and ventilation. The other requires serious restoration before it can become truly comfortable. But their value does not come from being perfect from day one. Their value comes from the possibility of creating a life that feels more manageable, less pressured, and better suited to someone who knows what they actually need. Maybe it is a morning in Maierà, stepping out onto the balcony and watching the light fall across the distant Calabrian coast. Or maybe it is an afternoon in Cianciana, walking through the narrow streets, knowing your house still has a lot of work ahead, but also knowing that it is yours in a very unusual and meaningful way. So what about you? Would you choose the smaller, already usable home in Maierà, or the $1 house in Cianciana and rebuild it little by little in your own way? Share your thoughts in the comments. We always read them, because sometimes it is the view of the stories that make journeys like this feel even more real. Thank you for staying with us to the end of the video. If this perspective feels helpful to you, you can subscribe and keep following along with us on the journeys ahead. No rush, no exaggerated promises, just trying to see things more clearly together, so life can feel a little lighter.